What if you could rebuild your entire AWS infrastructure from a single file? AWS CloudFormation is Amazon's native infrastructure as code service, IaC for short. The idea is simple. Instead of manually clicking through the AWS console to spin up servers, databases, and load balancers, you describe what you want in a file, and CloudFormation builds it for you. This makes your infrastructure predictable, repeatable, and fully automated. You define that infrastructure in templates, text files written in either JSON or YAML. A template lists the AWS resources you need along with their configuration. Think of it as a blueprint for your cloud environment. YAML is the more readable choice, so it is what most teams use in practice. When you submit a template to CloudFormation, it creates a stack, a named collection of all the resources defined in that template, managed together as one unit. Need a dev environment? Create a stack. Need production? Create another stack from the same template. Same infrastructure, zero manual effort. Because your infrastructure is just code, you get 3 powerful benefits. Store it in Git for full version history, deploy identical environments every time for true repeatability, and if a deployment fails, CloudFormation can automatically roll back to the last working state. Infrastructure management becomes as reliable as software development. AWS CloudFormation turns your AWS infrastructure into code. Templates define the resources, stacks manage the deployments, and version control keeps everything consistent. Start your IaC journey today. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.